Hello friends. So today is another bright sunny day, and if you're following me, then you would know what we're going to do today. Yes, we're going to do the most adventurous thing that I've done in my life till date, and I'm sure you're going to experience the thrill with me. But before we do that, let's check out this beautiful county from this courtroom tower. Yes, it's Santa Barbara. So friends, right now we are at the courtroom tower, which is the most elevated place in here in the city of Santa Barbara, from where you can see almost the entire city. And when you say the ocean view, it means there's a east beach out there, which is beautiful beach. So this is the west side where the sun is setting, and this is the Mesa view here. So this is exactly the opposite side of the sea face, and here you can see the Mission Church out there. So this is the Mission view here. You can see the roads and the beautiful buildings with red roofs, and also the beautiful mountains out there. Santa Barbara is also called as the American Riviera, with the sea lapping its beautiful beaches with red roofed whitewashed buildings and a dramatic backdrop of the beautiful mountains. You got to actually come here to soak in the culture and experience the beauty of this place. Today we are here at Santa Barbara, and we're doing skydiving here. We just arrived. Now we'll get a bit freshened up. Get a bit freshened up. It's cold here, and then get all geared for skydiving. Let me take a tour around here, the premises. Let's see what we've got here. Really cold here.
All right, what are we doing today, guys?
Hey, skydiving!
We'll show me how it's done, man. I'll see you up there. High five. Awesome. Yeah. Sweet. We'll be able to hook you here. What'd you think of that, man?
That was fun.
Pretty awesome, huh? You're
Yeah.
free. Hop on up. All right, come right here.
Super fun.
Yeah.
Yo, that was super fun. I missed you.
Awesome job, man.
Yeah?
Well, thanks for jumping with me at Skydiving Santa
Yeah,
Barbara.
super fun.
Woo!
Woo!